Okay, so we're going to go with the Des Moines again. As we've explained, and we'll just reiterate, we've taken the ultimate upgrade, which is this enhanced propulsion, minus 20% to a rudder shift, minus 50% time taken to reach full power when accelerating. And what you lose as a result of those two enhancements is a minus 10% penalty to the action time of the surveillance radar. Overall, I'm just finding this may not be all that great of an upgrade after all. Initially, before I had gunfire control system, which gave me the extra range of the main battery guns, which Tier 10 really helped a lot, especially with my play style. And what I'm experimenting with now is main battery reload of minus 12% instead. And so that means I'm limited to 15.8 kilometers range with the main guns, but I've got a better reload time. So let's see how that works. This build is basically enhanced for maneuverability because more often than not, I'm always out in the open. I'm not an island humper. So let's go in, let's check it out, and see how she performs this way. Yo. Okay, finally loading up. Let's see how she goes. Last game with this setup was tier 10, 9, and 8. And this time, well, same type of thing. Mix of 10, 9, and 8. This is where the short range will hurt. The Donskoy and the Brandisi have longer range. Both of them, the Brandisi with its sap shells, and the Donskoy with its HE can do serious damage. As well as that Hipper at tier 8. It's got excellent HE. What do we got? Two DDs. Okay. Stinking map. Okay, we're just gonna friggin' go full speed ahead. See what happens here. This is just another version of a map that would have A, B, and C horizontally across from east to west, but now they've just got the 2 points, a north and a south point. Turret Travers a little slow, but with this captain, he's got the enhanced turret Travers skill. So we got the penalty for the reload time, but we do have the enhanced skill with this captain. I got some company here. What do I have here? I got a Kremlin, cool. Soyuz. Soyuz is pretty tanky, and they hit pretty hard too. And Ibuki, he's got torpedoes. Cool. So we got a good complement going together. We got a DD off to our right. Looks like a gearing. Yeah. Okay, detected. There's an allspice there. Let's see what we can fish out. Okay, Baltimore or Buffalo. Put some hurt on him. Okay, so where the reload comes in handy.
That's how it's done.
I don't have the range. In the other setup I had with it, I would be able to hit the Donskoy, but I don't have the range at the moment with this setup. Really not sure why our ships are moving towards the center. We should be staying on the outside and forcing them to the center. I'm losing cover with people, so I'm just going to turn around. I'm not going to venture forth. I'm going to turn outside and back down around, playing it safe. Yeah, Buki's got torps. Gearing's got torps. The Kremlin's moving in. I can help out in case there's any torps from any DDs from this side that we're not aware of. We've got 2 DDs. I haven't seen either one yet. Mind you, they should be inside towards the interior by the looks of it, where those torps are coming from. We got 2 BBs south, which is good. On the 3-4 line, they got to stay south, protect the base. We're in good shape to take their base now, even though they're only down 1 ship. More torps. Looks like the Kremlin ate a couple. Yeah, he shouldn't be that far off in his zone. He should stay closer to me.
Torpedoes to starboard. Torpedoes, direct front.
mistimed that. I didn't play that very well.
We're full below the waterline. We're flooding quickly. Get back! Problem solved, sir. Acknowledged. Retreat now!
Got some good hits in the curve first. Looks like one of those cruisers nailed me. Yeah, we got an island here. It's angler guns. Gonna have to go with. Let's get some fires started, then we'll switch over into the Brandisi. I gotta lay a good hurt on him with AP. But they slowly. Brandisi's gone now. Let's work on the curve first. Get some fire on him if we can. Oh, shoot.
Enemy battleship sighted.
We've lost 4 ships, we've lost 3. Waste time getting around this stinking island, but what are you gonna do?
Teammate, I need your support.
You need my support, eh? Well, you just friggin' run west, son, and angle yourself. We need a crossfire here to even the scales again. Okay. I got everybody friggin' dodging away, running, so I'm not gonna last. So, uh, it's a mixed bag. The shortened range with the quicker reload, not such a bad thing after all. I'm gonna